So this is the rear of the differential. I just finished cleaning up the edges with my drill and a wire brush so I could put a bead of silicone and get this back in so I could put one of the end yokes on. This is my current situation. I don't know if you can see, but I don't think I can zoom in, but if you look right there, that just got blurred. Yeah, that shaft right there, that's what was broken on the truck before. So I got a new one, slide that in. I cleaned up the bottom area the best I could. You know, it's raining, snowing, so it's a little rust. But yeah, now I just gotta put a brand new seal in. I gotta put a brand new seal in. As you can see, when the other shaft broke, it nicked this seal, so oil leaks out from here. We should get all this. Alright, as you can see, got the old seal out, cleaned it up a little bit, and these edges took a little beating from the axle braking. Well, that was from me, got the truck like that. This is what the old seal looks like. I mean, the other one I got looked a little different, but let's undo this seal and see what we're working with. Alright, so here's the new seal. Let's put them side by side and see what's going on. As you can see, it's a big difference. This seal is thin. It's a thick seal. So let's pop it in and see what goes on. Alright, what's going on, tube? Let's see if we could do a quick cold start. Sun's going down and I'm pretty much wrapping up. Battery should be charged by now. Like I said, didn't have no work to do today, so hopefully tomorrow is a better day. Alright, let's get to this cold start and see what happens. What y'all think, man? She fired up. So this is the seal, brand new seal. It's now in. Yeah. Looks good. I don't think I could get it in anymore. If you could just focus on the inside there. I mean, it looks good. And let me know what you guys think. You know, I'm not the professional here, but I'm just trying to help myself and learn as I go. Alright, so that's what it looked like. Alright, so it's time to put this bad boy on and see which yoke I'm gonna end up using. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so The yoke came in. I didn't test fit it yet. One of the problems I'm having is that the new bolt that I have for a shaft, I do not have a socket to fit this. I gotta go to Home Depot, Harbor Freight, one of them, to get a socket that fits this. And then I either gonna have to use this yoke or the other yoke in the truck. That way I don't have to buy another yoke, because I have two of these. And this new one is gonna go on either this yoke or the other yoke I have in the truck. All right, so let's go see. At least I'm looking a little bit fresh today. Got me a little shave. A little something I did myself. Oh yeah, your boy's looking real good today. Today I pulled out the grease gun. There it is. So, as you remember, I was doing the through shaft for the differential on this truck. So I finally got it done. You know, got me a half moon yoke and 2 new U-joints. But yeah, the truck is back together. Got a couple of things I need to get done. Alright, let me show you what's going on. Alright, so as you can see, that's one of the new joints right there. The other one is right up front up there. I think my camera is a little dirty from running around. Alright, now that we got that all cleaned up, as you can see, I got some meat on my ties. No recaps, straight virgins. I got the truck like that, so it's good stuff. Got me an exhaust sleeve right in the T-pipe there. I think that picked that up on camera. I broke a coolant line.